25 sentences using the word barring.
Barring any unforeseen delays, we should arrive by noon.
The event will take place as scheduled, barring bad weather.
Barring any objections, we will proceed with the plan.
She will pass the exam, barring any major mistakes.
Barring any changes, the meeting is set for 3 p.m.
Barring an emergency, he will be here on time.
Barring any technical issues, the presentation should go smoothly.
Barring unforeseen circumstances, we will complete the project by Friday.
The team will win the championship, barring any injuries.
Barring any last-minute cancellations, the show will go on.
We will visit the museum tomorrow, barring heavy rain.
Barring any objections, the proposal will be approved.
Barring any complications, the surgery should be routine.
The flight will depart on time, barring any delays.
Barring any problems, the software update will be released next week.
Barring a miracle, the underdog team is unlikely to win.
Barring any further questions, we can conclude the meeting. The project will stay within budget, barring any unexpected expenses.
Barring any accidents, the construction will be completed by summer.
Barring unforeseen events, the delivery should arrive by Monday.
Barring any legal issues, the merger will be finalized soon.
Barring a major setback, she will graduate with honors.
The event will be outdoors, barring extreme weather conditions.
Barring any interruptions, he will finish his speech in 10 minutes.
The company is poised for growth, barring any economic downturns.